exciting adventure out here on the Lower New River. I'd like to take this time to thank you all for having with us here at North American River Runners. If you all had a good time today, you might think about coming back and seeing us again. We run great upper and lower galley trips all fall long. That's big Class 5 action, big whitewater, big fun, big stuff. Lots of good times. Come on back and check it out. If y'all did have a great time today, it might have something to do with that guide sitting in the back of your boat, paddling you down, keeping you safe, steering you in all the right directions all day long. So be sure and tell them thanks for a great day, or else your day could have looked a whole lot more like this.